This is my birthday gift. This is a baby alive. I love my gift. Here I am feeding her.
Yummy.
Now I will tickle her.
Baby love to eat.
Eat more? Or you want to drink? Okay. Drink, drink.
लिटा के दिखाओ, उठने को बोलेगी ना।
All done. Thanks, Mama.
Now she will say like this.
No eating lying down.
No eating lying down. Then when will we eat?
Thanks, Mama.
Hello. And these are the 2 packs of food.
बुद्धि करो।
Now we'll tickle her again.
Uh-oh. Where's my food?
Oh, you want more food? Okay.
Yummy.
You want to sleep? Okay. Now I will take out her dressings.
Hungry.
You have to eat more each.
Thanks, Mama.
हैप्पी गीला हो गया।